What it do, YouTube? It's your boy L Wise, man. We here, man. Local trucking. You know what I mean? This was requested by your boy RLCTV, man. 6 month, 100 push-up challenge. I haven't did a push-up in so long, I can't even tell you, man. But this how we rocking, man. I'm giving out, let's say, over the road, local trucking, food service, Sysco, US Food, Sigma, CBI, performance. What else? Who else we got? I mean, that's all just pretty much off the top of my head, man. But let's go ahead and get to this challenge, man. Make it strong. Go hard. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna try to give y'all the best I can. I don't know how many I can do, but let's get it cracking. Let's do it. Give me a moment to sit up. Let's get right to it. That's 50. That's 50 for y'all, man. I'm tired of shit. I'll probably finish the next 50 when I get to the crib. Let me catch my breath. But yeah, man, shout out to Sysco, US Foods, Gordon Foods, Performance, all the local truckers, over the road truckers. Y'all get it in, man. 6 month, 100 push-up challenge. Let's get it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm exhausted, man. Peace. Let's get it.